Alright, hey the YouTube, this is YouTube user Mr. Video Dude 709, and this is gonna be a very exciting video for you guys. So on Friday, hopefully it'll be a snow day, which will be awesome. We should probably be no school on Friday, which would be awesome indeed. Positive thing is that it'll be a snow day, everyone. And so, they'll be saying that they will have 40 to 60 centimeters of snow on Friday, which would mean that the school will probably be over by then for the weekend. So is that exciting? Yeah, I thought so. So guys, yep. So there'll be a update video on Friday about the snow that we are having. It's following with another few videos too, like the other videos that did on Roblox, which is pretty awesome. Yep. And there will be lots of videos too. And yep. And please check out my channel, cause I got a new background there and a new avatar there too. And I now got 59 subscribers. Yep. I'm not really sure who was it. So in the comments below, let me know who the 59 subscriber was, because I don't know who my 59 subscriber is. So anyway, I really hope you guys like this video, and stay tuned for some more videos coming soon. So I guess all you need to know is bye.